Okay, welcome back everyone. Just going to start with a few pictures of changing the door card on the last video, and then we'll just get straight into it. I've got a new side skirt just arrived because this one is all bent. There's no repair in that, so just open that up. Hopefully it's the right one. Okay, start off with a beggy bit. Still, most people watching the videos aren't subscribed. If you haven't got a YouTube account, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign up your mum, your uncle. Thank you. Stay tuned, we'll just get the whole car wrapped up here, and at the end we'll do a price breakdown so we see how much everything costs and how much I'm looking to sell the car for, or anything else we might be looking at doing with the car. Do please bear in mind that the price I mentioned that I'll be asking for is based on once all the bodywork is done and alloy wheels refurbished, etc. How much better does it look already without being able to see those stickers? Looks the same to me. Okay, let's get that old one off. Ignore the mess in the car. Get to cleaning today as well. Gonna clean all the earth. I'll show you later, but there's all mould inside, and I've not cleaned the car since I've had it. To be honest, I probably won't show you the entire video of me removing this. There's a couple of little TX screws in there. Looks like just some body clips underneath. I'll show you when it's off. Right, that should all be off now. There we go. Clips. Oof. Nice to clean on there. Also, be nice not having to peel them off. Just have to put the new one. Oh yeah. In case you haven't noticed, the sexy knee pads, absolute game changer. Working on the ground like this, without a ramp, on my knees. Get some of these. Oh yeah, if you're seeing this dent, you can see the arch. I don't know if you can see that. Let's move that around. Yeah, this arch has been pushed in there. I think a dent guy will be able to pull that out, and these scratches aren't that deep. Hopefully buff out or just a little bit of paint correction. But yeah, if anyone knows anyone, Sussex area, good price, let me know. Whole piece needs to come out more. It's not going to clip in nicely there. What I do is just get all these in, get a couple of clips underneath, because that's going to have to come off again, I would imagine, when the bodywork's done. Right, so giving that a nice clean down, looks a lot better. I'm just going to stick this back on. I did break all the clips on this, but I managed to get these on eBay. A few quid. I'm just going to put 2 in for now. Because like I say, all this is going to have to come back off again, but just want it to sit on there a little bit nicely. Also, it's got some double-sided tape around there. I'll get all that off. I've got some new to replace that with. But for now, let's just get it in and looking a bit better. Clips are no good, they're way too big. That's a shame. Can't get in anyway.
That's what. If you say that's what she said one more time, I'm gonna pop you.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a difference, isn't it? That's why. This is obviously off a non-S-line car because none of the holes match up. I'm going to have to make new holes. They don't line up. Forget that. I just checked them. They do line up. I was just being a pussy. Right. Gotta tackle this interior. See the mould. The dirt everywhere. I think the best thing to do is going to be to get the roof down, pull the seats out. Not taking any chances with this one. I don't know if it's the sort of mould you're not supposed to inhale. Throw it down in the bin. Right, so did find a cigarette lighter in there. I thought that was missing, so I bought something funny to replace it because I didn't want just a hole there. Also, that was under the seat. Previous owner was a gooner. Pretty sure that decreases the value of the resale of the car. Who knows? Now, I'm by no means a detailer. Obviously, little bits here still need cleaning, but I think you'll agree that has come up pretty nice. Obviously, this is all suede. All the mould from in there. Some big speakers down there as well. Flat bottom steering wheel. This is what I was talking about earlier. That was a nice little touch. Okay, time for my favourite bit. Giving it a clean. Got a lot of shit on the roof, mould, weird hair looking things. Obviously the mud is still all over it from the crash.
Lovely.
Did you think he'd make it?
Oh, lovely.
Do you love him? Do you think he'd
I
make
knew
it?
he'd make it.
Really?
Right, I think I'm going to finish that one there. There are some other bits to do. I've still got to take the old badges off them wings that I got and replace them, because as you saw in the other video, someone put like green gold coloured S-line badges on the side. Awful. When I got the bonnet, it was all wrapped with masking tape, and the masking tape is stuck to the bonnet, so I need to heat that off. Obviously the bodywork I need to get sorted by a dent guy. So I think I'll just go through cost and expense and what I'm going to be asking for it. Just going to sit inside the car and do it now. It's a safe place to be with the mould gone. So starting off with the price of the car, I don't know if I said it in a previous video, I think I forgot. That was £1,250 from Copart. Obviously all the fees on top, expensive. Totaled £1,686.80. And then my mate who picks them up for me picked it up for 200 quid cash. And then we got driver's wing, 90 quid. You'll understand why that one's cheaper than the other one when I show you, because it's a little bit damaged, which you couldn't really tell in the picture. It was cleverly photographed, so that. The passenger wing was 190. The lock carrier or radiator surround, whatever you want to call it, £216. If you didn't watch the video of changing that, go back. That was quite a good one. I surprised myself with that. It was quite fun. Bonnet, because it's aluminium, 276 quid, but it was in really good condition. And then the passenger door complete without the door card, because I've got the Bose set up in here, so it wouldn't have worked anyway. Also the video that shows changing that was quite interesting, having to change around all the speakers and extra speakers and things. £260. Headlight, because the first one was damaged, I got that for 90 quid I think, but this second one was 130. Side skirt, £58. The headlight repair kit was 31 quid, which is holding up great. Then I've got like miscellaneous clips and brackets and things, which I did list down here, like arch liners and things like that, £150. So that brings it to a grand total of 3,287.80, which I don't think is bad. I've had a look, well, I did have a look a few weeks ago through eBay and things and Auto Trader. The same car, same year, with more miles. We're going for 5+. There was one on there for 6, with similar miles, but also Cat N, which this is. So I think pretty fair to ask around 5 grand for it, or I would quite like to swap it for something else. If anyone would be interested in that, I'm going to stick it on Facebook on the swap groups and things. Be interesting to see if I can get something slightly better with a bit of damage that I can look into. But I think for now that'll wrap it up. In the next video and the next project I will show the finished thing, all the bodywork that's been done. I did want to take it for a first drive and get some nice drone shots, but I won't be able to do that till the weekend, and it's just going to hold the video up. So I think it's best if I just get this out on Thursday. I will show that again, because I do want to get some cool drone shots of it. I'll put that in a video in the future as well. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was interesting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next one. Oh, I forgot to mention as well, the previous owner did get in contact with me. A friend of mine recognised the car and spoke to him about it, and he had another key, which was excellent, and insane amounts of service history. It's got full service history, this car. It's had so much work done to it. I think it's had all the water pump and timing belt done and everything like that, so that doesn't have to be worried about. Obviously it's only got 71,000 miles on it, so it's still got a lot of life in it. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like it's been really well looked after. I mean, the alloy wheels, there's so many receipts for like refurbs and things in the past. I need to get those done as well now. But yeah, really happy with that, and obviously that's going to help the price.